The public housing system was never just a housing program, it was a national social engineering experiment designed to contain, extract from, and manage specific populations. To understand how the system operated, you have to look at how the layers were stacked on top of one another. 1. The spatial foundation, concentration and containment. The blueprint. Beginning with early projects in Atlanta like Techwood, the government tested concentrated poverty, intentionally separating marginalized communities from economic hubs, quality education, and wealth building opportunities. Zip code, destiny. Tying school funding to local property taxes built a structural ceiling directly into geography, ensuring isolated areas remain perpetually under-resourced. 2. The compound layers, engineered attrition, the biological trap, food deserts, processed foods, and environmental hazards degrade physical health from the inside out, driving high rates of chronic disease and medical debt. The chemical and legal cycle, when legitimate capital pulled out, predatory enterprises and narcotic filled the vacuum. The heavy militarized policing that followed systematically fragmented families and drove mass incarceration. Perpetual survival mode, stacking health crises, economic starvation, and legal pressure consumes 100% of a person's daily energy just to survive, leaving zero bandwidth to organize political power or build generational wealth. 3. The macro map, national blueprint. Extraction economies. High poverty zip codes became profit centers for predatory institutions, check cashers, subprime lenders, bail bonds. Decentralized poverty, demolishing traditional brick and mortar housing projects, did not end the experiment. It simply scattered poverty into outer suburbs and rural pockets while monetizing the land. 4. The mindset shift from subject to operator, exposing the crime scene. Studying this architecture isn't about wallowing in victimhood, it is about documenting the evidence. It proves the breakdown of the community was an engineered outcome, not a moral failure. Weaponizing truth. The experiment was designed to keep people silent and contained. Breaking out means shifting from a passive test subject to an active operator, using raw facts and unvarnished truth to hand the blueprint back to the people so they can dismantle the trap in their own minds.